Hello everyone, today we're gonna learn how to divide a circle into 14 equal parts. Let's start with our circle. I'm using a 5 centimeters radius here, but you can use any radius you prefer. Next, instead of drawing the usual horizontal line, this time I'm gonna start with a vertical line. Again, you can eyeball it, you can measure the distance, whatever you prefer. Just make sure that your vertical line is passing through the center. Then I'm gonna grab my compass using the same initial radius. I'm pointing my compass on this intersection right here and making 2 marks on the circumference. These 2 lines represent the 6-fold division, which is not needed, so you can definitely delete them, erase them in the end. I just need them to measure my next radius, so I'm pointing my compass back here, and I am opening the compass to be tangent to these 2 lines. I'm double checking both sides just to make sure that it's tangent, and then I'm drawing 2 marks on the circumference. These marks represent the 7th-fold division. So I'm using my compass all over the circumference to mark my points of intersection. And I'm also checking the last 2 points if they match. If they match, it means my division is accurate. Now, starting from the top, I am dividing my circle into 7 equal parts. As I said before, you can delete the 2 lines that we started with. To divide a circle into 14 equal parts, first you have to divide it into 7, and then 7 plus 7 is 14. So you do the math. And now my 7-fold division is ready. My task now is just to extend the line to the other side. And in this way, I am dividing the circle into 14 equal parts. And this is the last one. So here you are, your 14-fold division. So make sure to subscribe if you like my content, and bye!